Okay, this is a cold cranking test using external wiring to a car battery. So I've got the earth going direct to one of the starter motor bolts rather than the earth contact in the bike. So that earth direct to the starter motor. And then the live cable comes from this solenoid here direct to the live input on the bike, on the starter motor. And I'm using the OEM 10mm cables. So the battery's fully charged, so let's see what the cranking speed is. Here goes. I think you'll agree with me, that is laboured. Now that battery is fully charged. Let's just see what voltage I'm getting across it at the moment. Oops. 12.363738. 39. It's been discharged by the starting. It's 12.41, 12.42. It's building up.